The difference of two whole numbers is always, sometimes, or never a whole number. Well, let's start with some examples. Let's say I did 5 minus 3. Those are whole numbers. I get 2. Let's say I did 10 minus 0. Actually, that's a whole number. Let's do 10 minus 10. 0, that's a whole number. What if I did 3 minus 5, though? 3 minus 5, well, now that's negative 2. That's not a whole number. That's now an integer. So our answer would be sometimes. Whenever the first number is bigger, then we will get a whole number. But if the first number is smaller than the second number, we don't. So our rule could be here. If the first number is larger, then the difference is a whole number.